In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a video through Gmail. Fix Today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click the Compose button in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a new message window in the bottom right. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. Then click into the subject field and enter a clear title for your email. This helps the recipient understand what the message is about before opening it. Next, go to the bottom of the Compose window and click the Attach Files icon, which looks like a paperclip. File Explorer window will open. Locate the video file on your computer, select it, and click Open. You'll now see a progress bar at the bottom of the email as the video uploads. Wait for the upload to fully complete before sending the message. If your video file is larger than 25 megabytes, Gmail will automatically display a notification saying it's uploading the file to Google Drive instead. In that case, the video will be shared as a Drive link inside the email. Alternatively, if your video is already stored in Google Drive, you can click the Insert Files using Drive icon at the bottom of the Compose window. This icon looks like a triangle. From there, select your video file and insert it directly into the email. After attaching the video, click into the main body of the email and type your message. You can attach multiple videos if needed, but always make sure to check the total file size, especially if you're uploading directly from your computer. Once everything looks good, click the blue Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. After sending, click on Sent in the left sidebar to confirm that your email with the video has been successfully delivered. Congratulations!